Well, it's that time of year again. Got to get the range all cleaned back up. Springtime, grass is growing, and been out of town a good bit and have not been able to get on the range in well over a month. And the grass is like growing like crazy, so I'm trying to get back on top of it so I can start doing a few more videos from time to time. But yeah, you know how it is. Got to stay up on top of the grass, so a lot of grass cutting. Hopefully then next will be some weed killer, and so get all the areas under control so I can get back to doing some shooting and hopefully doing some more videos soon. So y'all have a good day. Hope to see you up on down the trail. Keep your powder dry. Long day. Keep your powder dry. We'll see you on down the trail. Look for some videos coming out soon. See you then. Mill Creek Range out.